In this video, we're going to leverage the power of AI to be able to create video on demand just by using text. So if you've been following AI, at least for the last year, you're seeing that a lot more tools are coming out. And one great tool that Canva has, is actually one of the apps, is the ability to be able to type in a prompt and it creates video on demand. So for those videos where you're putting out on YouTube or Instagram, you need some kind of B-roll or your primary video, you can actually come in here, type in what you want, and it creates a video for you. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you go to canva.com, more than likely you'll see over here on the left side of the menu, and this is at the time of recording this, under apps, you want to go down to AI or AI powered and look for Magic Media. So when you click here, it's going to ask you, do you want to do it within an existing design or use it in a new design? For me, I'm going to actually use it in a new design. And if you look right here, it's showing you that someone is prompting the AI a rover exploring Mars, and it's going to create the video for you. So, and also if you read here, your creative ideas into images and video. Create compelling images and videos from simple description, even turn generated images into videos. So let's click here, and I'm going to choose video, 1920 by 1080. So not worry about 4K right here. Okay, let me take this off because I'm not going to use my desktop app for this. It's going to use the web app for Canva. So when you're done, you're going to be presented with a screen that looks similar to this. It's going to have your canvas over here to the right. It's going to have your place, your form to be able to prompt the AI. And I'm just going to do an example. This is for images. So any kind of images that you want to add into your video, it can create it for you on the fly. But this is the new thing with AI, with Canva, and you can actually do videos, and it's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and try an example. So attract shapes into, I don't like that. Let's say, and I love Boston Terrier, so say a Boston Terrier in a coffee shop drinking coffee with a laptop doing work. And I'm just going to go right here, and it states right here, this is experimental new technology. Scenes with people and animals may not quite look right. So don't be surprised you get something that looks kind of a little weird, but for the most part, stuff is new. You prompt again, you refine your prompts. That's where AI prompting comes into play, so that the AI gives you what you're looking for. So I'm just going to click generate video here. And it says grab your popcorn. It's going to take about 1 or 2 minutes. So I'm going to pause the video really quick while that does its magic. And we are back. So if you look right here, here's my video. And I'm really excited to see what this is going to look like on the canvas. So for the most part, it should be something as simple as dragging it down to your timeline. Boom, here it is. So let's hit play and see what happens. Okay, so I guess we haven't got to the point where the dog can actually sip from the cup in the video. But this is just a really quick example. And if you don't like what's there, you can always come back here and generate it again. So let's do something else. Let's do something, Boston Terrier, let's say walking across the street in the rain. Poor guy. Let's see, generate again. It's going to take a couple minutes. I'm going to pause the video really quickly. And I am back, and let's drag it down to our timeline. Now, I like the picture, but I'm looking for something with a little more motion with it. So it looks like the AI isn't able to provide me with the particular video that I want. Now I see the rain coming down, which is cool. The dog isn't running across. Well, you will see is running across. I hope it's not just standing in the road. Let's try something else. I want to show you a really good example of the technology. And let's try, let's see, people walking in the park during and I'm going to pause again. And boom, here we go. Let's drag this down to our timeline. And let's see what we got. Let's see a play. All right, so we have some people walking in the park during the fall. So this is just a really quick example of leveraging AI into your videos. I can see this as being something great. You know, I didn't have a script or anything like that, so I was just doing stuff off the dome. So, you know, you may have more specific types of application that you need for your video. I can see a lot of B-roll being created by using this type of technology. I can see a lot of the faceless YouTube automation that's really popular now, being able to create this type of video on the fly. You don't have to worry about any kind of copyright issues, or, you know, if you use video that are that's copywritten, you don't have to worry about it because this is all stuff automatically generated. Now we'll let the courts decide on, you know, all the other copyright stuff. But one of the great things about OpenAI, they have said they are going to defend people if they are approached anything about copyright. So I wouldn't worry about any of that stuff with that. But of course, I'm not a legal person, so you have to speak to someone about that. But again, AI generating video from text. If you have any questions, please don't ask. I'm going to be using this a lot more even with my video. So as I expand my knowledge, I want to be able to answer any question you have. If you have questions, you know, you can shoot me an email, or best yet, you can actually put it in the comments. I'll respond back to you in a quick fashion. And also, if you have not already downloaded the OpenAI app on your phone, you are missing out. I can't tell you how many times I'm on the app just asking certain things just to kind of get an idea of what kind of response I may get. Some of them are legitimate answers I need, whether from a technical standpoint or just know-how. I find it even a lot more useful than the search engines. I'm sure search engines don't want to hear that, but you know, with a search engine, you're going to be given resources for you to do the research. I feel that the AI is providing me with answers and has already found the best answer possible based on the prompt that I give it. So another thing with the AI prompting, making sure you put the right information in to get the best information out. So I hope this video was useful. Be sure to subscribe so I can be able to get more people to see the channel and to grow it. So have a great day.